Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. In this video, we'll show you how to use the AI speech-to-text feature. It's a tool that transforms audio files into accurate, editable text. To get started, log into your dashboard and select the AI speech-to-text tool. This feature makes it easy to transcribe interviews, meetings, podcasts, and more. So, upload your audio file simply by you can do a drag and drop, or you can scroll through your file manager, which is what I'm doing here. And I'm looking specifically for audio files from my book. So I'll do the introduction. The tool supports various formats like MP3, WAV files, and more. Once your file is uploaded, you just hit generate to let the AI process the audio and convert it into text. The longer your audio file is, the longer it takes for it to transcribe. But as you can see, it took really just mere seconds. So your audio is transformed into a detailed one-time time-stamped transcript. You can edit it directly within the tool for accuracy or formatting.
Commerce Incorporated, a company that has embraced the cutting-edge technologies of.
That's the original audio file. You can open it up in AI Editor, and from there you can actually process it and so on. So save your transcript to the document section. You can export it to a text file, or you can share it with your team for further use. So the AI speech-to-text feature makes transcription faster, easier, and more accurate. Just log in today and start converting speech to text with AI Toolkit Online.